Here is a short video that shows the basics of preparing slides for a presentation. Remember, they are only there to aid you as the speaker and should not overshadow you. Go to the design ribbon and pick a theme that matches your talk. Let's say, for example, this one. If you don't like the color, you can pick a variant. Under New Slide, we can prepare a title and content slide. Let's say, for example, now you'll notice that everything in here is in all caps, and likewise for the title page. We can change this using the master slide view. Go to View, Slide Master, and you will see here at the very top is something known as the Celestial Slide Master. All the formatting of the other slides are based off this one. So let's make a few edits. Let's make the title bar a little bit smaller. And instead of having everything uppercase, let's make it sentence case. Increase the content slide, select everything, and under Align Text, select Top. We can increase the font size over here. Let's make it one smaller. Okay. You can also move your footer and increase its text size, and likewise for the slide number. Let's say you want it in the lower corner. Now you should see that under this slide number 3 over here, it will have affected this slide as well, but not all of it. So just make sure that you adjust what needs to be adjusted. Perhaps you also want the title to be a little bit longer. Alrighty, we can save that and then close the master view. You'll see now this has changed to the way that I've typed it. If, for example, you wanted headline capitalization, you may add that as well. Add in your title, typically as the subtitle. Okay. Let's add some sample text. We can go back and align this. For some reason it's not picking up that it should be aligned. So let's fix that again under Slide Master. Align text to the top. Align text to the top. Close the master view. There we go. Okay. If you would like to add in a sub-bullet, use this button. For references, you'll have to type them in manually. Keep the brackets blank until the very end of your slideshow. Then go back and fill them in chronological order in case you need to reshuffle your slides. To typeset it as a Vancouver superscript, press Shift-Control-F to bring up this menu, and then you can press P. Enter. To have the slide number show, go to Insert, Slide Number, and then select Slide Number. I'll also add in the footer in case you want to use that for your references. Alternatively, you can use a text box. Remember to select that it should not show on the title slide. For slide numbers, remember that they should be applied to all. In case you want a slide that is only dedicated to a graph, go to Home, New Slide, Blank. You can now paste your figures in. Again, design ideas will pop up, and if there is anything that stands out for you, try it out. But remember, practicality is of utmost importance. Make sure that your graphs are legible from a distance. So in this case, I would simply not use one of these. You can add emphasis to certain graphs by inserting shapes. For example, use the arrow. Turn it around. Finally, you can add in animations to emphasize the most important part of your slide. Use these sparingly. I'm going to make this graph and arrow fade in. To do that, select both while holding down the Shift key and make sure to go to Graphics Format, Group. They are now considered one item. Under Animations, go to Fly In. Now let's check this out. To go into presentation mode, you can press F5. You can add presenter notes here at the bottom that will appear if you go into presentation mode. Finally, other interesting things that you can include zoom slides, equations, videos, audio, and screen recordings.